ना, पृथ्वीराज कहाँ है?
क्या पता।
जूम आईडी नहीं आया अभी तक, शूट करना है।
कहाँ पर करेंगे शूट?
कहाँ पे करेंगे शूट?
अरे वेट वेट वेट, व्हाई आर यू ऑल येलिंग? जूम आईडी क्यों चाहिए? जूम पे नहीं करना अभी, देखते हैं किस पे करेंगे। लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। हाई एवरीवन, योर सुपर कूल होस्ट रोट्रैक्टर पृथ्वीराज गोसरानी, and now without wasting any time, let's introduce the Rotractor of the month. You know, I would like to say she is the person who enjoys binge watching series and loves something that I am really bad at, that is painting. So calling upon Rotractor Richa Gandhi as Rotractor of the month.
On ground करेंगे. Hi, my name is Rotractor Richa Gandhi and I just graduated. So this is my first year in the club, and apart from that I like to dance, swim, paint, and that's that about me.
Alright. Hi Richa, how are you?
I'm good.
So I wanted to ask you that this year our mega flagship project Joy of Giving was conducted on ground, like despite the pandemic, and you were in the organizing committee, you were a part of it, and you know, from the very beginning where we collect and segregate clothes till the distribution part, you were right there. So how was your whole experience?
It was good. So basically the project was like we had to collect all the things like clothes, utensils, stationery, and then segregate everything and then donate it to underprivileged families.
Okay.
And that was to lighten up their Diwali, so it was really good.
Alright, and what about your experience?
It was nice. This was like my first on-ground project, so I had gone like for segregating almost like all the days, and then I had gone there to distribute as well, so it was really
All
nice.
good. And like you, this is your first year, correct, in this club?
Yeah.
So did you make new friends? Like because of on-ground project, you made new friends?
Yeah, actually, like before everything used to be online, so I did know a lot of people, but then like when it's on ground, it's just different.
It's just more enjoying.
Yeah.
So it's Diwali, the festival of lights and crackers and everything. But you know, being this the first pandemic Diwali, how did you celebrate it?
It was just the usual. There was sweets, rangoli, and everything, and we did meet our relatives, but it was on a Zoom call, obviously.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which sweet, like if you give me Kaju Katri, there will be no Kaju Katri left. So which sweet is your favorite?
I think laddu, besan wala.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's cut off to the game segment. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. So this game is RCMSC's very own dumb charades, where I will be the one acting it out and the Rotractor of the month will be guessing. It's pretty simple. There will be 5 rounds, and out of which she has to guess more than 3. So she wins. If not, then she will have to do a punishment. I hope you're ready for it.
Yeah.
Not necessarily movies. So the first round.
3 words. First word. Smile. It's Hindi or English? Hindi. English. Smile. Laugh. Smile. Happy. Glad. Excited. No. Second word. Light. Light up. Light up, light up.
Just light up my van.
Light. On off. Switch. On off. को हिंदी में? No. Off. Off. Third word. Minion. Gift. Me. Okay. Give. Take. Give. Wait. Second word was off. Off. Give. Joy of giving.
Yeah, correct. So yeah, the first one is correct. Well, the first guess was correct. And moving on to the second round.
One word only. Hindi. Okay, like half. First half. Aja. Okay. Second half. इधर, यहाँ, ये, आइए, what? ये something, आ का कट, आ something ये, आशा है. Oh.
Correct.
Nice.
Okay, so well, I guess she won't be the one who will be doing the punishment, but still, let's hope she does. And moving on to round 3.
One word. Hindi. What? Writing. Okay, Hindi no. पढ़ना. शिक्षा.
Okay, wow, she's on a roll. And round 4. Let's begin.
2 words. First word. Smile. Happy something. Happy. Okay. Second word. Happy trails.
Okay. Well, that's it. I guess she's the winner. But again, for the formality, let's put on round 5. You ready?
Yes.
This one is okay.
3 words. Yeah, English, yeah. Third word. What? TV? No. Truck? No. Car driving? Wheel? Okay, wheel. Second word. On. Something on wheels. Wait, I know. Just show the acting of the first one. First word. What is it? Banner? Font? Cheer? I don't know.
No, no. Okay. So yeah, it was awareness on wheels.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, guys, this all are the projects of our club. You might know almost all of them. So that's it. You win. But still, you got one wrong. So punishment करते हैं.
What?
Awareness on wheels was very common. Yeah, you had to know it.
Okay, but then I forgot.
So yeah, punishment बनता है. So let's do it. Alright, so one of the most favorite part of my episode, punishment time. And here we have 2 espresso shots, which I guess she hates. And she has to have it.
Not
All
a big
yours.
fan. Okay.
Would you like to smell it first?
No.
No.
Wait, okay. It smells like, I don't know, some toffee waffy.
Okay.
Coffee wala toffee. Okay. Wow.
Can you show your face over there?
Very
All
nice.
good. Sugar, water.
Good.
It's not that bad though. It's like okay-ish.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we are, done with the punishment. So Richa, we have seen you in almost all the projects from the beginning and you are being very enthusiastic about it, and after this, you being the retractor of the month. So do you have any plans, future plans for the projects, or where do you see yourself after a certain period of time in the club, something related to that?
Well, for now I was thinking of just, exploring all the projects, and maybe later on I can
Okay, chairing the projects. I hope you all enjoyed the video and you enjoyed being here.
Yeah.
Congratulations once again for being the retractor of the month. And there is token of appreciation for you. I hope you like it.
Thank you.
Welcome. So yeah, here we are. I'll see you soon. Bye.
बहकी सभी जुबां हैं, हम हैं हजारों में.
Guys, so if you are enjoying the video, please
Like, share.
comment
And subscribe.
and stay tuned for the next episode.
बहकी सभी जुबां हैं, हम हैं हजारों में.